Hello, Future Millionaire. Today's video is different again. We are doing first time ever. We're doing a walking video. So
Yes, we are.
Yeah.
Trying to see who's gonna walk faster.
no, not at all. What we're doing is want to show you guys a nice little sea town called Kingscliff. It's one of our favorite spots. So what we're gonna do is we're just to walk straight through the street and give you guys some commentaries. And we've never done this before. And over there is the ocean. See, right there is the ocean. And it's nice blue sky. Today is a little bit cold, so we have winter right now, so today is only 20 degrees.
Yeah, I think this is the first time we're having a walk and we're both wearing jackets.
yeah. So, give you guys an idea of smaller towns in Australia. This place is about 40 minutes away from everything, basically. So therefore, most people don't even know this place exists. However, a lot of people who are fed up with Byron Bay actually come here to live because this has a similar vibe, but a completely different setup. Real estate.
Probably a little bit cheaper here.
Yeah, probably a little bit cheaper here, but nowadays they don't even show prices anymore.
Yeah.
They just say by negotiation only. Yes. So that looks good. Healthy pantry. Real food. Salty bread, man. So we do this kind of things because now most likely Queensland is going into lockdown very soon because some idiot just drove up from another state into Queensland, and now we're gonna have COVID lockdown.
There's a little bit of correlation. It always comes somehow miraculously from the southern states.
Yeah.
But I think we might escape Gabriel actually.
I hope so. We
because might be able to only. It might be only in Brisbane.
Yeah, because next week we have our meetup. So I had to plug one more time our meetup. On the 17th of June, 6 p.m. at the casino in Gold Coast, we have our huge Australia-wide meetup, and there already I have more than 25 people confirmed. So the more people come, the better it is. We have a special guest, a secret special guest coming, who is going to give us his insight into the Bitcoin Cash price protection, and he's a very technical person. He has years and years of experience. And I will give you guys some insight about my own strategy regarding the $500,000 coin. And
just confirming, that's at the Darling, right?
Yes, at the Darling lobby.
The Darling upstairs.
Correct. Downstairs first.
Sometimes just
then
ask
we go
maybe
upstairs.
I'm voicing other people's too, like it's
sometimes
casinos are confusing.
Yes, correct. So, and we continue to walk here. As you guys can see, this place is actually very popular among locals. Today is a Friday, and yet there's a lot of people in the streets. Where did you go? Okay. Yeah. This is actually your second time here, isn't it?
It is, yeah. First time we did like a bit of a walk with the sunset time.
Yeah.
On the beach. There's a very nice lookout. We might go there today, no?
Yeah, we might do that. Yes. You never know what kind of people you meet. In this kind of smaller town, everyone's super friendly, and no one is acting weird, let's call it that way. Massage parlor? Okay. Need a massage?
I wonder if it's legit.
Yeah, of course it is. Come on. Yeah. Every massage parlor is legit in Australia, naturally.
Of course.
Okay. So we're probably going to pass by the shops at the right-hand side where we just had the lunch. And this place is also quite popular. And this is
it's called?
Chocolate.
Pure bliss.
Gold, yes. Sushi Dragon. I actually normally don't pay attention to all the names, but today it's different. Oh, McGrath. That's the race agency. That's my car. Yeah. Not easy to find parking. At least I get to park here for half an hour. And between us, I park for longer than half an hour. Yeah.
But if you go back and check your car and close the windows and whatnot, then you get another half an hour, isn't that?
Yes. That's right. And here's the Govindas restaurant. So in case you guys are looking for this particular restaurant we just featured, and that's where you come in, and that's how you find them. And that's where you can eat your nice vegetarian meal. They're busy right now, so.
Very nice.
Yeah. See how far we can go. We're only 4 minutes 50 seconds in.
This is new territory for me. I've never been on this side of the Govindas, only the other, so
exactly.
we'll see how it goes.
So exploring the new areas, Paradise Living. Oh, they're selling furnitures. Yeah, Paradise Living. Oh, it sounds so good. Yeah. Another Indian restaurants.
Tango Gelato.
Yeah, gelato.
Gelato.
Nice. All right. I'm lactose intolerant, so not too many gelatos for me.
Oh, they might have dairy-free ice cream for you here.
Oh,
If it's hip enough.
you don't see that every day.
The cafe?
No. Did you see the lady with the gun?
Gabriel?
Yeah, maybe after this. You see the lady with the gun? She's probably a police officer.
Okay.
Yeah. She was nice. She was friendly. She didn't shoot us. I'm just joking. Here's actually, Australia has a very strict gun law. I'm actually part of a gun club. Did you know that?
Really?
Yes, I'm a member of a gun club. So guys, don't come up with ideas. I do self-defense. I know how to use a handgun. I have a license. I have my own handgun. So just in case someone think about hijacking me for ransom, my bitcoins are not available. You have to wait until 2025. Even you take me away until 2025, the bitcoin will not be released. So that's useless. And I know how to defend myself. Plus I have a gun. Okay, now we're almost at the end of our walk, I think. Yeah, very, very nice. Look how many people park here. Over there is the surf club. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is, I've never been here. This is a nice.
Yeah.
Phoebe's.
Yes. Very nice.
Phoebe's, what is the name?
Nice stretch, right?
Yeah.
Kingscliff takeaway, fish and chips.
Oh, there's a cinema. Look at that.
I didn't even realize they have cinemas here. That's so surprising.
I know where my next date is
Yes.
gonna be.
Yes. Cinema. That's unusual.
That is very unusual.
Yeah.
Cinemax.
Okay.
Let's have a look. Can I have a look?
Now we're doing walkthrough. We can't be distracted. Yeah. All right. Okay, maybe in conclusion, just say some parting words, okay? Parting words for everybody. Okay, some parting words. So the reason I get inspired for this series of video is because Justin Khan's video telling people about the lifestyle. So you guys can see, take a walk in a small city. It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't cost anything, but it makes you happy because you meet new people. You can't believe how many new people you can meet when you just be open-minded, open-hearted, go to a new city and just say hello to everybody.
But it's also the drive, you know,
Yeah.
coming to a new place. It's almost like we were crossing a small border between Queensland and New South Wales.
Correct.
It's to the States, but
Correct.
it's almost like having a different energy.
Yes.
To the whole day.
Yes. So whenever the market doesn't go the way you want to go, don't get despair. Instead, go do something else. This is actually the best possible investment advice I can give, because market doesn't always do exactly what you want it to do. Instead, you are the only one who decide what you can do. And on the day when you don't feel like it, just go away and take a walk. You'll be surprised how well you can feel after you just go for taking a walk instead.
Yeah.
Sitting in front of a computer, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. All right. I think we're at the very end of the walk. And this is the end of it. Yeah. This is the Kingscliff. I hope you guys enjoy the walk. And if you can't get out due to lockdown, oh, that's a Tesla Model 3. Ah, yeah, okay. Oh, this is actually the Chinese version. This is the new Chinese version.
Okay. I like
Okay,
those.
yeah, yeah. And every Tesla in Australia is white and standard range plus, because Tesla drivers, no extras. Tesla drivers don't like to pay extra, not even for paint color. Yeah, that's the way it is. All right, all good. See you in the next video. Bye.